Hey guys, what's up? Today in the Brick Lab, we're going to be combining two of Lloyd's 4+ EVO Mechs to make one giant EVO Mech for him. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features here. So obviously, of course, we have the arms and what I call my patented EVO Mech hand system. Since none of the official EVO Mechs came with hands, I designed my own version for them. And as you can see, we have the 3 fingers, a thumb, and then of course some clips here so that Lloyd can hold a weapon. Obviously, this sword wasn't included, but I was able to just throw one in from my collection. And then, of course, obviously, the most important feature are the wings, which I happened to borrow from the EVO Dragons. I also threw on this Technic Golden wing piece to help finish it off and give the wings just a little bit of bulk since they seem just a little bit too tiny just by themselves. And then, of course, we have the cockpit here, which is, again, pretty much like any of the standard EVO Mechs. If you built any of them, you know how this works. You pull down the center chest plate here, and Lloyd can jump out and do battle with the Snake Army on his own without the mech. So yeah, nothing really too fancy here. There aren't even any controls, so I guess Lloyd is just controlling this thing with sheer willpower or something. And if we spin around to the back, you can see how we have the wings hooked in here. I basically just moved them in with, I just basically attached them with a bunch of ball and socket plates. That way you can get a whole lot of neat poses out of them. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, we have a part listed in the description. Feel free to check that out, and we'll see you on the other side. Alright, that is all that I have for you guys with this mech. If you were able to follow along, that is great. If not, you're completely missing out and you should probably reevaluate your life choices. Anyway, like I said, that'll do it for today. If you enjoyed this build, you already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and check out all the other builds on my channel. I haven't really had as much time to upload lately, so don't expect consistent uploads anymore, at least not for a while, unfortunately. But yeah, I'll try to keep these things going. I do have a couple custom minifigures and stuff that I meant to release during Crystallized and didn't really get a chance to, so I'll try to get those out at some point. There are also a couple smaller builds here and there, so yeah, got those as well. Anyway, thanks so much for watching again. I'll see you next time.